Hello, family. Good afternoon, Ogata. Uh, Good afternoon, everybody. I want to make this video about social media and platforms that we are using, especially in Papua New Guinea. So, if you are watching from other countries and the Pacific, I don't know about your geographical uh, capability of monetization on each platforms, but for us Papua New Guinea, it's like many of us are misunderstanding the social media and content creation, and like we are just doing it for fun. We are just doing it for fun, and we are not monetizing anything that we are uploading onto the internet, and that's the big. We are losing big amounts of money as a country as a whole, and those big platforms are making big money out of our content, and that's why I want to come out and make this video. Especially many Papua New Guineans, we are on Facebook and TikTok, and like we should know that these two platforms, Facebook and TikTok, they will not pay us anything unless you are doing some kind of affiliate marketing or drop shipping or something like that. You will at least earn some money there, but from things like ad revenue, the very core of payment that will boost you to do things online is ad revenue. When you see it coming into your dashboard, your TikTok dashboard or your Facebook dashboard, that one, when you see that happen, then that will boost you to make money online, and you will venture into many things. These are the initial boost for online money making online. Amba boosting you milo making money online, and like for us many Papua New Guineans, look out there, we are just uploading content onto TikTok and Facebook. For many of us Papua New Guineans, we are just uploading content onto Facebook and TikTok, but we are not getting paid for what we are doing. We are just buying a lot of flags and paying for the data and upload content onto those big major platforms, and yet we are not making any money out of it. And you see, what a waste of time we are doing, but we are just doing it for the fun of entertainment and leisure and such that. But what I want to stress here is some people are becoming millionaires out of their content they are posting on those big social media platforms. And what about us Papua New Guinea? So for myself, like I am on YouTube and I post my valuable content on YouTube. Therefore, as a young rising Papua New Guinean in this internet space of my country, Papua New Guinea, I try my best as much as possible to educate my people, who shares the same interest as me. So for today, I want to share two websites that are eligible for monetization in Papua New Guinea. And these two websites, one is the famous YouTube, we know. I want to stress here is you create a YouTube channel. For you to create a YouTube channel, you must have an email address. Go to Google, type how to create an email address, and then you will see, or type create a Gmail account, and then you just follow the prompts and you create a Gmail account for yourself. And with that new email address, you use that one to create your YouTube channel. With that new email address, you use that email address to create your YouTube channel. And how to do it, there are many videos and informations out there. You just do the research and go and do it. Okay, follow the instructions and you will achieve what the instructions are explaining to you. And another website that are eligible for monetization in Papua New Guinea is Blogger. And these two websites, both YouTube and Blogger, are owned by Google. And Google, we know it's the biggest search engine in the world, and that's why our country, Papua New Guinea, we can monetize our content. For Blogger, it's for writers. You write blog stories, whatever topics and needs and whatever categories you want to write your content about, you do that on Blogger, and then you publish it, and when viewers go and view your content, you get paid for them. And for YouTube, you have to reach the partner program eligibility criteria of 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours before you can be able to monetize your content. And for blogger, you have to at least have 15 plus posts on your blog before you can be eligible to put ads and monetize your content on blogger. So these are two things that I want to say. Papua New Guinea, please do your research and go and help yourself. Nobody will come and teach you and tell you like this. These are things that your teacher will not teach you in the classroom. So please help yourself. For many things I learned it by myself and out of experience and such like that. I get to share my story, and it's try to help others with what I am doing. So in this internet space of Papua New Guinea, our country. Thank you. And these are the two websites that I want to share: Blogger and YouTube. These two websites, we can be eligible to make some money into our dashboard through advertisements that are displayed before our content is shown to the viewer. So they have their own rates and charges. Other countries, Facebook and TikTok, they are paid the ad revenue. They are getting paid with the ad revenue. But for us, Papua New Guinea, we don't get paid for Facebook and TikTok with ad revenue. We don't get paid. So I want to say that if you want to make some money on the internet through your into your dashboard through the ad revenue, go sign up on YouTube, or you go sign up on Blogger. These are the two easy things that you can do. You don't need such big technical knowledge or computer knowledge or technological knowledge here. It's follow some simple, you do some simple research and you follow through, and you can do it too. And I want to share these two websites with you. And then that's Blogger and YouTube. YouTube, you will struggle to gain subscriber, but after some time, when you reach the criteria and you're monetized, you'll be smiling because money will start rolling passively. And that's the same for Blogger too. So do your research and help yourself. I'll still try to give more videos about how to do your own Blogger and your YouTube channel. So subscribe to the channel, to my channel, and follow me, Chronicles of HP. Yes, I have a YouTube, I just created a Facebook page and I'm uploading content there too. If you want to follow there, you follow there. But the content on Facebook, I don't post frequently. I just keep it for updates and like that. So thank you for watching. Much love and stay blessed, kids.
Today is a gift, for we don't know what tomorrow might bring. Life is too short for so, and I don't like holding on to little brothers that will keep on taunting me. Just wanna live my moments with the happiness. That's what I say. What do I want pay? You should let it go and just forget it all, yo. They say life is a race, and I wanna chase until I realize I'm still chasing my dreams, yeah. They say life is a race, and I wanna chase until I realize I'm still chasing my dreams, yeah. Yeah.